We are going to unbox today Zebronics portable Bluetooth speaker. These are the features of this Bluetooth speaker. It has an 800 mAh battery. It offers 5 hours of playback time via TF card and 4 hours of playback time via Bluetooth. It also has a FM headphone output, a card slot, USB playback support, and SD card playback. These are the prime features. And you can see the cost here. It is around 1600 rupees. These are the connectivity ports. There are two keys also available on the side. We'll give you more detailed information on this speaker in a detailed review of Zebronics portable Bluetooth speaker.
That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.